Hello and welcome to In the Kitchen with Meta. Today we're making baby marrow fritters. So here are the ingredients, and I'm gonna start with grating the baby marrow and the carrots, and then we mix everything together and get started on the fritters. So I'm cutting this off and I'm gonna grate them, and I'm going to grate the carrot as well. So now we're grating our baby marrows. If you have a food processor, you may find that using it will be easier for you. Then you can dish the grater. We're almost done with the baby marrows. So we're done now. And we're gonna grate the carrot now and mix two of them together. So I'm gonna move this quickly to the side. So now in this bowl, I'm going to add the baby marrows, but you squeeze them just a little, or you can use a kitchen towel, and we put them in here. Squeeze the juices out. And there we have it. So we're also going to squeeze the carrots. And we're going to mix the two together. We're going to season our veggies. So I'm seasoning with aromat, and I'm going to add a bit of salt. This is pre-mixed flour with spices. I'm gonna add some. And I'm going to add this just for extra flavor. The Marrow's cream of mushroom soup. It will give it extra flavor with mushroom. And I'm going to add an egg. And I'm going to mix. Mix everything together. I'm going to add cheese to this, and I'm going to add extra flour. So I'm going to grate some cheese. So I have some cheese here, and I'm going to grate it. And I'm adding the extra flour so that the mixture is not too runny. So our mixture is done now, and we're gonna fry this on low heat. We're going to fry our fritters now. I've got a pan on the stove and I'm adding little oil. And we're going to fry on low heat until they are done. So our fritters are frying now. Reduce the heat so it's on medium or low depending on your stove. Must fry until it's golden on each side. Let's turn our fritter. You can keep checking your fritters. So we're waiting now so that the other side can also cook. It looks colorful. Sure, it's gonna be delicious. Can't wait for hubby to taste this. Plus he likes his vegetables, so it's good for people who love vegetables. So that's it. My fritters are done now, and here we are. And I'm just gonna serve hubby. They are done.